And once again, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen, Naturally Speaking. Today I will be doing this look right here, and I hope you like it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been with me for a while, welcome back. Since you're here right now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification button. And also follow me on Snapchat at Naturally Karen, or on Instagram, Naturally to Speak. I will have all the information about what I put on my face in the description box below. And any information concerning this look, I have it down there. So hope you like it. Welcome back. First I'm going to start off, I already have my one eye already done. And so I'm going to start off with my second eye. What I'm going to do first, concealer. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild concealer, and this is in a shade of medium tawny. And I'm just going to put this on my eyelid, just one dot, because I'm not going to be trying to do the whole lid. It's just enough for this shadow to set on my eye a little bit here. The products that I will be using, they're all affordable drugs. This one is called, this is the Sleek palette here, and I'm not blinding you all. And this is the what it looks like. As far as contour and highlight, that sort of thing, we'll be using the Black Radiance contour palette. I think I got this like at Walmart for like maybe like $5 or $6 at Walmart. The Black Radiance blush. Also I use the Colossal Big Shot mascara for my eyelashes. And as far as foundation, I will be using a Wet n Wild foundation. And for setting, I'll be using the NYX for setting. Like I said, most of these are pretty much a drugstore brand products. Even as far as my my primer for my face, I'll be using the Rimmel. I'll be using the Sleek Makeup highlight palette here. If I get this open, and it looks like that. That I will be using as far as my lips will be from the Black Radiance lip balm as well. Yeah, I think that's about it. Only exception will be my setting spray, because I ran out of my Wet n Wild setting spray. So drugstore brand, affordable brand, and this is more or less look for the evening look or day look. Nothing real fancy, just enough just to kind of put a little color to your eyes, and that's pretty much it. Not a slayed out look. It's for just for the holiday, just for like Valentine's Day or something. With the contour palette from Black Radiance, I will be using this middle shade here. It's a sculpting shade. I'm going to be using that as my transition color. Because in this palette for the Sleek, the transition shade is real light, so I wanted something a little bit darker. So I'll be using this shade here in this palette. And basically, I'm just concentrating that on majority of my eyelids, and I'm gonna just try to use very few colors out of this palette. This palette does have a lot of shimmer shades in it, and so normally most people don't like a lot of shimmer shades. I don't like to have layer of shimmer shades on my lids, but this one is pretty light, and so I'm not going to go, you know, really ham on the colors though. Next I'm going to just be using this darker contour shade, and I'll be putting that in my crease area as well. This palette here, and I'm going to be using this shade here, and they have numbers on them, but I couldn't find what color shade there were, but I'm going to use this little purple shade here as well as a little bit of that shade mixed together. And I'm just going to concentrate that a little bit in my crease area. And just a little bit on my lid area as well. And like I said, this is not like a serious laid out look. Now once I have that on my lid, I will go into this this shade here and put that on my the corner of my eyelid. I blended that in, and then I'm gonna take a this brush here and just kind of smooth that all out. Trying to blend that in a little bit here. Then I'm going in with this brush here. It has a little bit of product on it, and I'm gonna just blend that out through my crease area. And it does have some fallout also. So next I'll be going in with the this champagne shade right here, and I will be putting that on my lid area, kind of blending that in. Next, I will be taking some of the red color and putting that up under my eye line. I'll be taking this purple color. And from there, I will be lining my top lid. And I'm using the Milani. Okay, now I finished off my the rest of my eyes, and then I put a highlighter on. I used the LA Girl strobe highlight, and then in the corner of my eyes, I used the Sleep Makeup highlighting palette, and I end up using like this color here, right there, in between my eyes, or my inner corners of my eye. And so now I'm ready for my lips. So I'll be using the Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this is in the color Berry Jam. And I'll be using the black Radiance lip gloss, and this is in Super Sugar Plum. And this smells pretty good too. Like I said, I was just trying to, you know, pick out something that's drugstore friendly and affordable, and So this is the look right here. I hope you like it.